Okay, sewage-free swimming. Now, anyone who knows us knows we're pretty into wild swimming. We literally cannot recommend it enough for your health, your soul, and the planet. But if you're gonna go wild swimming, it is sadly now a fact that in the UK you have to check for sewage, as it's a pretty big problem at the moment. So, how do you go wild swimming safely? To be very clear, any time that sewage has recently been disposed of within the water, it is categorically unsafe to take a dip, and generally just pretty disgusting too. If you're a fair weather swimmer and you usually only swim at popular spots where there's like lifeguards, then they should be testing the water and be able to tell you whether or not it's safe to swim. But how do you check to see if it's safe if there are not any lifeguards? Well, your local water company should be providing up-to-date information on their website, so that should always be your first port of call, but that's not always the case. For coastal spots, Surfers Against Sewage have an awesome interactive map which basically tells you if there's been any sewage alerts and if it's safe to swim. This is also available as an app. Now, for rivers and lakes, it is harder to check. The Rivers Trust website has a map which you can kind of filter for near real-time alerts, but at the moment it only kind of covers like the Thames water area in England. Wherever you check, if there has been a recent or live water quality or sewage alert, then you shouldn't be swimming. The other thing is to just use a bit of common sense. If the water looks a bit scummy, smells a bit, and if it's been raining a lot recently, then better to give it a miss. You don't want to risk getting ill. All of that being said, we do still get to go wild swimming all the time in some absolutely beautiful locations. So don't despair. It is still possible and it is worth it. You just have to do quite a lot of research first. That's all for us for now. Happy swimming. Let us know where you end up and if there was any sewage there.